Now what you're going to explain is when we're copying data, like using Unstoppable Copier or any copying program, that you need to remove permissions first. So you're going to tell me and Jorge in English and in Spanish.
Okay, first step in English first. First step, connect the hardware you want to copy. They want to shut up in my PC. Primero, conectar el hard drive que vas a copiar en la computadora por USB o por la SATA conexión. Mirar en mi computadora o en mi PC. Cuando el hard drive se muestra, when the hard drive is shut up, you double click, cliquea 2 veces en el hard drive y va a enseñarte todos los folders que pertenecen al disco C o el disco D, en este caso que es el secundario. And that this D, the secondary hard drive you want to clone the data.
Right, and you open the hard drive, whether it's connected in the computer or through a USB, and now you're navigating it through File Explorer. Okay. And then we're going to go to the user profile, and the user
profile.
And the user profile is where all the
clic derecho, right click, left click en properties, clic izquierdo en propiedades, security, seguridad, advanced, eso es how you say advanced in Spanish?
Avanzado.
Avanzado. Yeah, forget it, bro.
All right, so
then we click and change the user name, and we want to type everyone. Vamos a cambiar el usuario por todo el mundo. Everyone.
I want to interject something in here. To do this, you have to be the system administrator, correct? So
yes.
That's just, we're taking that for granted, that the user, that we're connected to this drive as a system administrator on the computer. So
type everyone, click OK, copiar todo el mundo, click OK, then attach, replace owner and subcontainers and objects.
Right. So basically what that's saying is saying if there's files under files, like if there's subfolders, convert it for all those, not just the folder you're clicking on. Got it.
Cliquea la cajita donde dice reemplazar el owner, el dueño. Cliquear donde dice reemplazar los permisos para niños y todo el mundo.
Replace all child object permissions with the so again, it's just saying all subfolders under the other folders are going to all
entries for this object.
Right.
Okay. And then we double click in everyone. Vamos a cliquear 2 veces en everyone.
That's a step I always miss. So now you have to double click everyone and full control.
Control total. Click OK and then apply.
You see?
Yes.
Okay.
And this process can take minutes to hours.
2 processes.
Yeah, so
this process first, and then they have another Windows, and you need to click yes again.
Okay, so I'm gonna post this. So I'm gonna post this on YouTube, and I'll send you the link, Jorge. And so, all right. So I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Let's just real quickly. Can you show me one more time, all in English, so we know? Like we don't.
No, but don't cancel right now because the hardware is damaged.
Right. Oh, okay.
Remember that.
All right. Well, here, let's do it on this system. So let me walk through. You walk me through how to do it in English, then you walk Jorge. All right. So you're going to go to File Explorer. You're going to open up your PC. You're going to go to your
customer.
All right. Well, let's just say, for instance, this is hypothetical. We're going to the C drive because usually the data. Oh yeah. Okay. Sorry. The data you're usually trying to get is under the user profile, and the user. This is going to be all the users. Hold on, settle down, Sally. Okay. This is going to be all the users on the computer. So if you are sharing this computer with multiple people and you only want your file, then you can, like if it's just me, I could click here. But usually you all want. Okay.
They're not taking permission for only one folder.
My mistake.
You need to do it here.
Okay, gotcha. So we need to do it here. Say that in Spanish. Say that in Spanish too. That if there's multiple users, they need to do.
Si hay múltiple usuarios, tú no puedes cliquear y abrir el user y cliquear en usuario por usuario.
No,
tiene que hacerlo en la carpeta usuario solamente.
Okay.
Exacto.
Okay. So we navigated to here. We right click on users. We go down to properties, and then properties. I go security. And then I go advanced, click on advanced, and then here I go change.
Change.
Now, is this and this the same thing?
Yes. Click here.
Right, but again, these are it's the same way to do it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can change.
This one is not doing the right way.
Not do it the right way.
Yes,
Okay, so
here.
you got to look up here next to system, and hit change,
Everyone.
and then I type in
everyone.
here, everyone. How do you say everyone in Spanish?
Todo el mundo.
Telemundo,
Todo el mundo.
like Telemundo TV.
Todo el mundo.
Oh,
Everybody.
okay. So now I hit OK.
Okay. Then
Double.
click here.
Oh, I click here. So replace owner on subcontainers.
Click here.
Replace.
Double click here.
Double click here. Very slow. And then full control. And then
do that.
I won't do it. And then you would hit OK. So now you've got it full. So
Lo canceló.
¿Viste?
So again, that's how to remove permissions on data that you want to transfer from one hard drive to the other. Because what happens if you don't remove permissions?
That
Tell
if
me in
you-
English.
If you don't remove permissions,
Right.
you don't can copy any data. They only copy like
Any
10 or 500 megabytes only. They only copy the someone add data. They don't copy. They don't copy
Right.
the pictures. They don't copy nothing. The hard drive you copy there, they want to look like empty. They want to copy the name for the user profiles, but they never put a data inside the
Right.
user profiles.
Now tell Jorge that in Spanish. And just to clarify, I want to wait. Un momento. Wait 1 second. That's based on the hard drive, the computer having a user with a password, right? Like if there was no
whatever
Okay,
computer,
so-
you need to take it out the permission because
Could-
Windows put
Alright.
permission without password. They
Okay,
don't
so
care.
what
It's
Lewis is
security.
telling us is that you have to take it out. You have to remove the permissions.
Tiene que remover los permisos aunque no tenga password la computadora porque Windows pone una seguridad en el user profiles. Normalmente con password o sin password. Por si acaso la persona pierde la computadora, pierde el hard drive.
Got it. Okay.